Hey there. Did you know something incredible? You possess this amazing power within yourself that can actually make your dreams come true. It's like having a superpower, but it's not about flying or shooting lasers from your eyes. It's something even more amazing. Picture this. You have this fantastic ability to think and imagine things, and those thoughts and dreams you have, they're powerful. They're like a secret code that can change your whole world. Imagine your mind as a magnet. What you think about, what you focus on, it's like a magic spell. It pulls things toward you, like a magnet attracts metal. It's kind of like when you think about something a lot and suddenly, bam, it shows up in your life. This isn't some mystical idea. It's about the real power your thoughts hold. It's like planting seeds in a garden. Those thoughts grow into the things you dream about. Think about a time when you really wanted something, and somehow, it felt like the universe was listening and sending things your way. That's a part of this magic we're talking about. So here's the deal. You've got this incredible ability within you, this power of thought that can shape your world. And together, we're going to unlock the secrets behind it. Ready to tap into your inner magic? Let's dive into this journey and discover how your thoughts can light up the path to your dreams. Unveiling the magic of attraction. All right, let's dive deeper into this fascinating thing called the law of attraction. It's not some complex theory. It's more like a big secret hidden in plain sight. Imagine you're a storyteller, weaving tales with your thoughts. That's the law of attraction in action. Take Susan, a person just like you and me. She had this uncanny habit of always thinking about how unlucky she was. Guess what? Life seemed to agree with her. Bad luck followed her around like a shadow. But then, something shifted. Susan learned about the law of attraction. She realized that by focusing on all the things that went wrong, she was practically inviting them in. It was like she was telling the universe, hey, send more of this my way. So Susan begins to shift her focus to what she wanted rather than what she feared. She began to notice a change in her experiences. Now, let's flip the story. Meet Alex. He's the kind of guy who always sees the bright side. Even in tough times, he holds on to hope like a beacon. And strangely enough, good things just seem to happen to him. Ever noticed how people like Alex seem to attract luck? Think back for a moment. Remember when you were worried sick about something, and it actually happened? Or those times when you kept thinking about something you wanted so badly, and it came true? That's the law of attraction nudging you, saying, hey, see how powerful your thoughts are? See, it's like this invisible force that listens to your thoughts and says, your wish is my command. But here's the kicker, it doesn't care if what you're thinking is good or bad. It just responds to the vibes you put out there. Now, here's where you come in. You've got the steering wheel of your thoughts. You can choose what you want to focus on. And that's the real deal behind the law of attraction. So, here's the scoop. Your thoughts are like magic seeds. What you plant in your mind grows into your reality. Cool, right? Now, think about a time when you thought really hard about something and, surprise, it happened. That's the magic of attraction in action. Ready to explore how your thoughts can shape your life? Let's take this journey together and uncover more about this incredible power within you. Unleashing your inner potential. All right, let's explore how your thoughts and beliefs shape the world around you in more practical terms. Think about this. Have you ever had a day where everything seemed to go wrong? It's like a domino effect, right? You start your day feeling off, and suddenly, everything around you follows suit. That's the law of attraction at play. Now, flip the coin. Ever had days where you were on a winning streak? You wake up feeling good, and guess what? The day unfolds like a beautiful melody. Your thoughts create this invisible blueprint for your experiences. But here's the kicker. It's not just about what happens on those good or bad days. It's about the everyday thoughts, the quiet whispers in your mind. Imagine this. You have a big presentation coming up. You're nervous, but you keep telling yourself, I can do this. It's not just pep talk. It's setting the tone for success. Your belief in yourself is like a magnet, pulling in the confidence you need. It's like planting a garden. You sow the seeds of your thoughts. The more you nurture them with positivity and belief, the more they bloom into the reality you desire. Pause for a moment. Remember when you wanted something so badly, and somehow it felt like the universe aligned to make it happen? That's your thoughts aligning with the universe's response. All right, are you ready to harness this power in your everyday life? Let's roll up our sleeves and dive deeper into these practical steps to unlock the potential within you. unleashing resilience in the journey. All right, buckle up for this next adventure. We're diving into the realm of resilience and staying aligned amidst life's roller coaster. Picture this. You're sailing in uncharted waters. Sometimes the waves are calm, and other times they crash against your boat. But guess what? You're the captain of the ship. Life throws curveballs, right? Meet Maya. She had big dreams, but obstacles seemed to block her path. Instead of giving up, Maya embraced these challenges as opportunities to grow. With each hurdle, she strengthened her resolve. Now, Alex, remember him? He's our beacon of positivity. Even when the storm clouds gather, he stays centered. How does he do it? He practices resilience like a daily ritual. Challenges come, but Alex dances through them. Think about a time when you faced something tough and emerged stronger. That's the magic of resilience. It's like a muscle. The more you flex it, the stronger it gets. But here's the kicker: staying aligned. Imagine your thoughts as a compass. When you're aligned, it's like finding true north. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions sync up, steering you toward your dreams. You might wonder, how do I stay aligned when life throws surprises? It's about finding your anchor, whether it's meditation, journaling, or a simple moment of gratitude. So, here's the deal. Challenges are part of the journey. They shape you, mold you, and if you let them, they propel you forward. Remember, you're the hero of this story. Ready to embrace the challenges and stay aligned on your quest for greatness? Let's chart our course through this chapter and discover the power of resilience together. Chronicles of Remarkable Transformation. All right, get ready to witness stories that'll leave you awestruck. We're diving into tales of incredible transformation, stories that'll spark inspiration and ignite the fire within. Imagine this. Meet Emily. She was once caught in the labyrinth of self-doubt, unsure of her potential. But one day, she discovered the magic of belief. She started affirming her worth, and gradually, her life transformed. From hesitation to confidence, her journey echoed a symphony of empowerment. Now, let's turn the page to David's story. David juggled a hectic life, feeling drained and unfulfilled. Until one day, he stumbled upon the power of visualization. He painted the canvas of his dreams, visualizing a life brimming with passion. Guess what? Slowly, the colors of his dreams seeped into his reality, transforming his world. Pause for a moment. Think back to a time when you embarked on a transformational journey. Perhaps it was a shift in mindset, a newfound belief, or a change in habits. That's the magic of transformation, an evolution that starts from within. But here's the real gem. Each of us holds this power of transformation. It's not about becoming someone else. It's about unveiling the best version of yourself. These stories aren't just narratives. They're guideposts, illuminating the path toward personal evolution. They shout, you too can embrace change. So, here's the deal. Transformation isn't reserved for the chosen few. It's an open invitation for anyone willing to take the leap. Ready to witness more tales of metamorphosis and ignite your own transformational journey? Let's venture deeper into this chapter and unravel the power of personal evolution together. Embracing the journey within. All right, fasten your seatbelt as we explore the very heart of your journey, the thrilling, winding road of self-discovery and growth. Imagine this. You're hiking up a mountain. Each step reveals new vistas, challenges, and discoveries. That's your journey, a tapestry of experiences waiting to be woven. Let's meet Maria. She once felt lost, unsure of her purpose. But then she embarked on a quest to discover herself. Through moments of introspection and exploration, she found her passion, a guiding star that illuminated her path. Now, onto Jake's story. Jake had dreams but hesitated to chase them. Until one day, he decided to embrace discomfort. He took risks, faced failures, and in that vulnerability, he discovered his strength. Pause for a moment. Think about your journey. Maybe it's been a quest for knowledge, love, or fulfillment. Each twist, turn, triumph, and stumble, every moment adds color to your canvas of life. But here's the magic. It's not just about the destination. It's about relishing the journey. The highs, the lows, they're all part of your masterpiece. Your journey is unique, like a fingerprint. No one else walks the path you tread. It's about embracing your quirks, your dreams, and your story. Here's the scoop. The journey isn't about reaching some distant finish line. It's about savoring each step, each lesson, and each transformation along the way. Now, As our journey together draws to a close, remember this: your story, your experiences, they're all pieces of a magnificent mosaic. Each moment, each triumph, and every stumble, they all contribute to the masterpiece that is your life. So, where does this leave us? It leaves us at the threshold of endless possibilities. It's not the end, it's a new beginning. Your journey, your adventure, it continues beyond these words. You hold the pen to your narrative, the brush to your canvas. Your story is a symphony waiting to be composed, a canvas ready to be painted. As we bid adieu to this chapter, carry this with you. Embrace every twist and turn, relish the challenges, celebrate the victories, and above all, honor your journey. For this isn't just a conclusion, it's a prelude to the chapters awaiting your penmanship. And if this journey resonated with you, if these stories sparked a fire within, consider joining us on this expedition. Like, subscribe, and become part of our community, where every story is celebrated and every journey cherished.